MongoDB is an open source document-based NoSQL database. It is written in C++. It was developed by the software company Tengen in 2007, and then this company offers the commercial support and other services for MongoDB. MongoDB has been adopted by a number of major websites and services, including Craigslist, Cisco, AstraZeneca, and eBay. Let me introduce the basic features of MongoDB. MongoDB stores data in the form of the documents, which are JSON-like, and it then stores all documents in collections. MongoDB supports for index. Any field in a MongoDB document can be indexed. MongoDB provides high availability with replica sets. It uses sharding to scale horizontally. And then MongoDB supports search by field, range queries, regular expression searches. The advantages of MongoDB are that it supports a wide range of programming languages via drivers. You can use the same language for front-end, back-end, and database queries using JavaScript. All main aspects of usage are very well documented, and it comes with the commercial support. MongoDB uses the approach of sharding and replica sets to achieve scalability and availability. The disadvantages are that data is not immediately written to disk upon an insert, which makes writes fast, but corresponding reads can be inconsistent. And the transactions are not atomic. Like many other NoSQL database, queries does not support joins between collections. Now let's move to the demo part. I'll first show the usage of the Mongo shell. It is an interactive JavaScript shell. To display the name of current database, you type DB, and to display the list of databases, you type show DBS. To switch to a database or create a new database, you can use use and the name of the database. Create two documents. You can see these are JSON-like documents. And then insert the documents, you specify the collection name here, and then use the insert method. And to show that collection is created, you can use show collections to list all the collections exists. To display the documents exist in a collection, use the find method, and you can see here the two documents were actually inserted. You can also use save method to add a new document. And to update a document, you use the update method. You put the the query here, and then the $sign set, and then the field you want to update here. And to remove a document, you type, you use the remove method and the query here. To import a CSV files, here we use the ASA transfer airline data. You use Mongo import command, and here you specify the database name, the collection name, and then the type of the file. And then by choosing the headline option, you use the first line of the CSV file as the field name, and here you provide the file path. This just showing the file is actually imported. MongoDB also provides the MapReduce feature. It's very easy to use. You just provide the map function and the reduce function. You wanna be careful that the reduce function must return an object whose type must be identical to the type of value emitted by the map function, otherwise your results will not be correct. And then to run the MapReduce, you can use the run command method and specify the collection you want to run the MapReduce, the map and reduce functions, and the output collection name. And to show the results, I use the find method, and you can see 564 flights were delayed and 407 flights were early. There's a Java driver for MongoDB, and it can be downloaded from this following link. To use that Java driver, you can add the Java driver to the build path, and then you use Mongo client to get connection to MongoDB, and you specify the server address and the port here. And to get the database, you use getDB, and to get collection, you use getCollection. And to insert, you first create a basic DB object, and to store the key and value, and then use the insert method to insert that document. To find and display, you create a search query first, and then use the find method. To update a document, you first create this query, and then you store the field you wanna update into a basic DB object, and then use the update method to update that field. And here, just to show that the database is actually updated, and you can see from the console output the name of that the name field was changed from Raw Johnson to Johnson updated. To use the MongoDB MapReduce feature in Java using the Java driver, it is also very simple to use. However, there's no Java API wrapper for Mongo import, so I imported the 2004 CSV via terminal, and you just need to create the map function as a string, and then also the reduce function as a string, and then you create the map reduce command and specify the collection you want to run the map reduce, then the map function, the reduce function, and then you use the map reduce method to run the map reduce job. And you can see the results are the same as that using Mongo shell. Alright, let's move to the live demo. Okay, let's first drop the database. And then re-import the airline data, and you can see the flights database are imported. And then I want to show collections, and you can see the delays also created. Now we want to provide the map function. Okay, and then the reduce function. And then the run command. Okay, it's actually finished. And then I wanna show the results. Okay, you can see here's the number of the flights that were delayed, and we're gonna use our Java program to do the same thing. Okay, here you put your map function as a string and also the reduce function as a string, and then run the map reduce method. Okay, you can see the results are the same as that using the Mongo shell. Now I wanna do the conclusion. Installing and using MongoDB is not difficult. However, to actually is examine the performance of MongoDB, larger data sets and more real-life examples are needed. The map reduce feature in MongoDB is relatively straightforward to use once the map and reduce functions meet the requirements. The Java driver allows the implementation of the basic and map reduce operations. However, it does not provide a method for importing a CSV data file. Okay, that's what I have. Thanks for your attention.